Okay, so here's my Land Rover with a 2.5 litre naturally aspirated engine. Today we're taking the engine out. We're putting a BMW diesel in, and just in case I decide to sell this engine later, thought it'd be good to do a video to show a cold start so you can see it running. As you can see, it's completely cold first thing in the morning. Battery's not very good on it, but I think it'll start no problem. This engine's got about 85,000 miles on it. The clock says 45, but it had a new speedo head at about 40,000 miles. You can check that out in the MOT history, and I've got the receipts for it and things. But yeah, it's about 85,000. So put the ignition on. It's going to need a bit of preheat because it's a bit cold this morning. We'll give it sort of 10 seconds or so of preheat. Give the battery a cope. Okay, here we go. No rear exhaust section on at the moment. As you can see, there's no smoke there at all. It's very good. It's been a really good engine. It's just not got enough power for me. There we are.